Well, hello there and welcome to my channel. My name is Katarina and today we are here to continue our series of me trying homemade DIY hair masks for frizzy hair. Today we have a part number 2, which means we are trying a mask made of egg, mayonnaise and honey. So if you want to see the final result, my opinion and the process, how do you do the mask at home and how do you put it on your hair, then stay watching and let's jump straight into it and let's start preparing everything what we need. For this hair mask we need 3 ingredients. First is mayonnaise. I did buy this one especially for filming this video because I usually use a vegan mayonnaise, but I think this one is important because you need the one made of an egg. Then we have 1 egg which goes into the recipe as well, and the last ingredient is honey. I have this one which I don't use for cooking at all. I don't know how long do I have it, but it is hard. It's not runny honey, so this will be tricky to use, but we will figure it out. The homemade DIY recipe which I am using, it's from the same website as I used in my first video, and it's called Bellatory. They do offer you a lot of description about all the ingredients and how to use the mask. I will link the website down below. There are just few simple steps. The very important is that I need to wet my hair first and wrap it into warm towel, which will be tricky, so I think I will just wet it with the warm water and just wrap it into the towel, and hopefully this will work. Another thing which I won't do is to wrap my hair into a plastic cup or shower cup, because I do suffer with seborrheic dermatitis and that will trigger inflammation, so I'm not going to do that. But there are simple descriptions of the ingredients in mayonnaise. This one, again, the most important part is an egg, so I'm not sure why do we then use another extra egg, but hey, let's go with the flow and let's follow the recipe. The mayonnaise is for restoring the moisture of your hair and also to soften the hair and reduce the frizz. Also egg, they said, very high in protein, which can straighten the hair and encourage the shine, so we will see about that. And honey apparently is very good to add moisture into the dry hair and frizzy hair and also add extra shine. So my hair should be extremely shiny after using this mask, so we will see about that. Now I am going to wet my hair, wrap it into the towel, and then we can proceed with making the mask. So we have a wet hair which is wrapped into towel and just resting and waiting to be used. Then we have egg which I just mixed or whisk with my electric hand mixer until it turned frothy. I would not recommend to do it with the hand, but if you don't have an electric mixer, you can do it. It will take you a little while. So now we need to proceed with our mask. So first ingredient, or second ingredient, because eggs is already inside. So second ingredient, mayonnaise. We need 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. I should have bring some tissues to wipe my hands, but I didn't. So first tablespoon in, kind of. Second tablespoon, kind of big one, but well, we are not going to be saving on our hair. We want our hair to be perfect. So first ingredient is in, looking gorgeous. You cannot really see it, but it looks sort of like an ice cream though. And second ingredient, honey, which is going to be a tricky part because the honey is not runny. As I said, it's kind of older honey, so this is going to be fun, trying to dissolve this honey in our hair mask. Also the hair mask is quite liquidy, so another fun part. I'm not really sure how we are going to apply it on the hair, but we will figure it out, hopefully. Okay, let's try and mix it all together. It actually looks tasty. If you didn't know, okay, it doesn't look tasty anymore, but if you didn't know before that it was actually mayonnaise in egg, it actually looked like ice cream in sort of custard cream or something similar. All right, let's just mix it well. Okay, I think we are done with mixing. The mask looks quite liquidy, but nice color. I'm not sure how well you can see the mask. Well, I wish you could see what I see with my eyes, but it is very liquidy. So this is going to be fun applying on my hair. Anyways, I came prepared. I have a spare towel to put around my t-shirt or on the top of my t-shirt. I'm also wearing old t-shirt in case there was some spillage, which last time when I did do a hair mask, there was quite a bit. And this mask, I wouldn't really want it to dry on my clothes. That would be kind of unwanted result. We need to apply it on the hair and then put the hair into a loose bun. Alrighty, we have a mirror, we have a hair ready to get a hair mask on it, and we have a towel. So let's just do it. I'm a bit scared. I don't really want to know how hard this is going to be to get off my hair. I hope that the towel won't interfere with the microphone. Oh. Okay, let's just do it. I also have a plaster on my finger, so this is going to be fun. How are we gonna do it? Shall I just use a spoon and apply it? I would be really helpful if I had another set of hands or somebody else to help me. This is absolutely disgusting. First impression from this hair mask, I hate it. I hate how it felt on my fingers. I hate how it felt going onto my hair. So first impression, not good. But now we need to set the timer for 15 minutes and hope that once I wash my hair, there still will be some hair on my head. It's very messy process. Definitely would recommend you not to do it in a kitchen or anywhere by the table. Just do it in a bathtub where you can then, or in a shower where you can then straight away wash everything after yourself. My hands are still sticky. I washed them very quickly. Table is messy. Don't want to see what's happening behind me as the mask was dripping all over the floor and everywhere. But now we need to wait, wash my hair afterwards, probably properly, because this is disgusting, and then see the results. And I hope it will be worth it, because it doesn't feel good. Okay, let's just wait. Alright, we are back. We are washed and we are dried, and now it is time for my very honest review. So, I don't know where to start, because we already have done one video like this and I already tried one hair mask. I can compare it and tell you what I feel and which one I think was better. If you are looking for the hair mask video which I did before, I will link it down below. I'm not sure if I can put it on the screen right now. If I'll figure it out, then I'll do that as well. So first of all, it did give my hair some moisture because my hair dried a little bit faster than usually. But comparing it to the other hair mask, which only took 2 ingredients, which was almond oil and banana, it wasn't as good as the previous hair mask. So my hair is not as moisturized as it was with the previous mask. Also, it doesn't feel as soft. There is a little bit more softness to it, but not as much as I would like. My hair, to be completely honest, still smells like a mayonnaise. I tried to wash it properly. I did put a lot of shampoo in my hair multiple times and a lot of conditioner, well, a lot of conditioner, normal amount of conditioner, but it still smells as a mayonnaise. When I was drying my hair, it smelled like a mayonnaise. I didn't use my leave-in conditioner because I wanted to see the same result or because I wanted to have the same baseline as with the hair mask before. And I have to say, I do really miss it. I think I would prefer my hair if I would use it, as if last time I didn't really miss it at all, which is slightly frustrating, and it doesn't really make me as happy as the hair mask before. So I smell like a mayonnaise. I am a little bit more moisturized, but the hair is way frizzier than I would like. It didn't really do much job. So would I recommend you to use this hair mask? I don't think so. It's just way too much work. You need to use 3 ingredients instead of 2. Smells not very nice. It's hard to put it on. It's hard to wash it off. And then your hair smells like a mayonnaise, and the final result is not that great. So this hair mask I would not recommend you to use at all. I do suffer with seborrheic dermatitis, which I mentioned before. I didn't put a shower cap on my hair, but I still feel my scalp starting to be a little bit more itchy than usually, and I felt it when I put the mask on, and as I was waiting 15 minutes. I felt some itchiness coming, which I don't really like. I hope it won't get any worse, that this is as far as we would get. My scalp is not red yet, so hopefully this is how it will be, just a little bit of itchy scalp. But overall, generally, I think it gave me some volume though. I don't know what happened, but I have way more volume. So this is the only thing which changed with my hair. My hair is not much moisturized, it's not defrizzed, but it does have a more volume. So I don't know what happened there, if the mask was misplaced, and it should have been in a category of a more volume mask. Also, the whole process of putting a mask on was quite messy. So I have to change my t-shirt, and the towel which I had over my shoulders have to go to the wash because it's dirty. So this is my conclusion, and this is the second mask which I tried on myself. We had one more coming, maybe even more if I will find more interesting videos, but I'm trying to find something more sustainable, more ecological, things which you don't need to buy in the plastic containers. But this mask is not it. This is not it. We will keep searching and see if we can find something better than the almond and banana hair mask which we did in the first video, and that was really good. I was very pleased with that hair mask. So we will keep searching. This is our top at the moment from 2 hair masks which I tried, so it's not very scientific yet. We need to do more experiments and we need to try more hair masks, but it is it for now, for today. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to let me know if you do have some suggestions, or if you do have some recipes for DIY hair mask which you do use and you like. I might try them, so please let me know. Also, like the video if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any future content. Thank you so much again for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, and I will see you very soon. Bye!